Is Burn Evolve 2.0 really the ultimate fat-burning breakthrough, or just another overhyped supplement preying on your weight loss goals? Let's get into the truth. This product has been making waves online with bold promises like effortless weight loss, scientific breakthrough, and even destroying fat cells. But how much of that is marketing fluff and how much is real? On the surface, Burn Evolve 2.0 includes some popular ingredients like Capsimax, green tea extract, grains of paradise, and caffeine, which are commonly found in other fat-burning products. Yes, these ingredients can slightly boost metabolism or increase thermogenesis, but only when used consistently and paired with proper diet and exercise. The problem? Burn Evolve 2.0 heavily exaggerates these effects, making it sound like you'll drop pounds just by taking a pill. There are no published clinical studies on the entire formula, and many of the results they highlight are based on isolated ingredient tests under controlled lab conditions, not real-life, everyday use. Plus, several red flags show up when you dig into customer reviews. Many of them sound eerily similar and scripted, while genuine users report side effects like rapid heartbeat, headaches, and stomach discomfort. Others have complained about sneaky auto-ship programs and pushy upselling tactics. At best, this supplement might give a slight edge when combined with real effort. At worst, it could be a waste of money wrapped in clever branding. It's not an outright scam, but it definitely doesn't live up to the life-changing claims they make, so approach with caution and realistic expectations.